Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the price prediction update of XRP Ripple coin, and I will also share the latest update of XRP. So let's start the video, guys, and let's go ahead, guys. The right now price of XRP in the market is 0.9405051 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XRP. Furthermore, guys, if we study the price charts of XRP and the changes update of XRP, so only, guys, you can see here the last 1 hour, I mean the last 60-minute update of XRP is positive, except of last 60 minutes, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP are completely going negative, guys. Let's see the price chart. You can see here, guys, now here from 5 September, I think, guys, from 5 September XRP price also start dumping, guys, and still, guys, guys, you can see here, if I zoom the price chart, so you can see here, guys, just look here the latest situation price chart. Now, guys, I believe, guys, that in the latest situation, in a right now situation, the price of XRP start pumping, guys. So what you think about XRP? What is your price prediction? What is your price update of XRP Ripple coin? My prediction on the basis of this pump, and now it is the last of September, and XRP start pumping, so I believe, guys, that now XRP will continue this jump for a long time, guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your update about XRP? Also share in the comment box.